Snow Shovel Wednesday, bitches. Well, it's a grain shovel, actually.
Oh man,
That's how we roll.
we're back. We're back. Snap on Wednesday.
Yeah, like a big ol' thing. Got anything like that?
No.
What are you looking for?
A male 36-inch socket.
36 mil,
Yeah.
not 36 inch.
36
Yeah, 36 mil.
36 inch.
Did I say inch?
Holy shit, that's a big
Oh, I
socket.
meant mil. Yeah, 36 mil.
3 foot fucking socket.
Yeah, for a pool, so I can make a pool out of it.
For your Barbies.
Yeah, 36 mil.
Fuck.
The octagon.
What does it look like? What does it look like?
Oh, I got a picture, yeah.
It's for adjusting your
The backlash.
The backlash. The backlash, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, fuck. Anyway.
This guy right here. One of those. Dodge carrier bearing adjuster.
Dodge carrier bearing adjuster.
Lots of people
I might
just
know somebody
weld
who
a,
might have one.
Yeah, lots of people use
That sounds like a Miller tool to me.
And how are you doing, Tyler?
I'm doing fabulous. You?
Really good, actually. A lot better. A lot fucking better.
A lot of people just weld a CV axle to a
Yeah. The only way I could get something like that would be through Miller. Which I can too.
Oh.
How long would that take?
At least a week.
That'd be okay. Because I don't have a license for a week.
Yeah, no license for you yet. You're next week, right? Tuesday? Tuesday you get it back?
Tuesday. Yep.
Awesome.
Tuesday is the day.
Oh. What is that? Oh fuck. Power stroke, fuck that shit.
These are the punches. Is this a little punch I hit?
That's the one right there. That's the one.
Yeah.
That's the one that I was using the other day.
Okay, so that's what I did.
Yeah.
Or what about the little one? Would the little one be better?
Want a punch? I'll give you a punch. Just don't punch me back.
Yeah.
Judging by the size of your pipes, Jesse.
I don't have any pipes. I hide them under this long t-shirt.
No Jordan out here. Well, he was shoveling snow.
Yeah. Snow shovel.
He's supposed to be doing an engine though.
That's the one he's gonna do. That's
Oh, is
that?
that
he can
why
push
he
it
was
out?
digging it out? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay. I got an engine. He's got an engine. You don't have an engine. You should get an engine.
Yeah.
No, you're just doing PDIs all day.
It's been a week since I've done an engine. Yeah, I know. All I'm doing is PDIs right now.
Lucky you. So much internal stuff for the end of the month.
Oh, the socket you need is missing.
I have
Oh no, it's right here.
Right there. Yeah, I
12.
for some reason I bought a shallow, and I don't know where the fuck it is. So I might as well just get another. I might as well just get a deep though, because all my other ones are deep. So I might as well.
Yeah.
I'm not
Sure.
buying the whole set. That's for sure.
Gotta go deep.
Go deep or go home.
Yeah. Go deep or go to sleep.
go deep or go to sleep.
I don't know.
Oh fuck.
I think that's all I'm gonna need today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
before I finish this off, yeah, I'll have to make sure that what I ordered was going to be what I wanted to do. Was what I wanted. I'm pretty sure it is. I don't know. I'm fucked up today.
You look flannel shirt free.
Oh, the purchase.
Oh, what the hell?
You already have one of these, right? Oh, this one's red. This one's red, though.
Yeah, mine was like burgundy or something.
Yeah. I have one too. You should listen to Ron Burgundy's podcast.
Yeah.
It's hilarious, man. I've listened to. He's got 3 of them now, and I've listened to all 3 of them. They're hilarious. He's way too funny. Are you looking for that socket for him? Is that what you're doing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
What would it be under? Automatic or manual?
Auto.
4-wheel drive?
4-wheel drive. Drives at 8.25 differential.
Jesus. Impact driver set. There you go.
Impact driver. Oh, that. Yeah. No, I'm doing your little one.
Yeah, yeah.
now.
The trick with the punch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't used an impact driver in fucking years, man. Ever since I found out about that. This box has got more tools than most mechanics have in it.
More than I got.
That's what we gotta start doing, Jesse. Is getting these things, the cutouts.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool.
Can you do a little research and find out what the part number is?
Yeah. We'll take a look around
Because I
on the
can't.
Google.
Now that's a ratchet drawer. That puts my ratchet drawer to shame. It's so nice.
It's too many.
Yeah. No, you can't have enough, man.
You wouldn't know what.
You can't have. I mean, you have
Which
too
one
many
do I
of one
use?
kind, sure.
What would you call it?
What do they call it? Carrier bearing.
I didn't know that they brought this one out. Oh, I guess yeah, that makes sense. There's soft
Dodge
grip.
carrier bearing adjuster tool. Side adjuster tool.
Yeah, so that is for the. You have those two sliding adjusters, right? Or they're
They're
threaded
threaded.
adjusters,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. See, I don't remember using one at Dodge. Didn't they have some kind of like C tool? It was like a C tool. It was like, you know, like our.
Spanner wrench.
I don't know. What it would be called. Because they have notches in it, right? And you just kind of like move it, and you're moving them forward, like moving them backward or forward to move them in and out. Isn't that what it is, Jesse?
To move.
No, it looks like that's you're going into the axle tube.
Yeah,
right?
you go through.
Oh,
the
maybe.
axle
Oh,
tube.
is that what it is?
Yeah, so you put on a big extension.
Oh, okay. Weird.
I mean, they have them like that as well, but
Someone
That's-
watching this video is going to
that's
answer
what-
that for you.
That wouldn't work for you?
oh, that'd work too. It's just like a huge tool, though.
Hmm.
It's like this length of a toolbox.
Someone watching this video is going to answer it.
Oh yeah.
Well, I
absolutely.
can
If
tell
Tyler
you
doesn't answer it.
for the that preload wrench that you see right there
Yeah.
for $70, the Miller tool is going to be more than that.
Oh yeah. Oh, so you have these ones?
Yes.
Well,
So that's the
do one of
actual
those.
tool then,
Yeah, let's do one of those.
and that goes through the axle tube.
So what is it, like half inch?
That's pretty cool.
On the one side to the end or something? Or?
Cool. Well,
Problem solved. And there's 3
Oh,
in
it's not
stock.
even that
we will
heavy.
meet you guys back in the
There's
shop.
3 in stock in the warehouse, so
Let's get
my
one.
order will go in tomorrow, and I'll have it Tuesday.
Oh, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday, guys. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's been about 3 weeks or so. Little explanation, I got extremely sick. I've been battling a bit of a flu, cold, a lot of coughing, a lot of, just it wasn't pretty. So I decided, I made the decision just to stay offline for a little bit. I didn't answer any emails. I haven't really done much of anything. So just kind of focusing on getting back to good. So I'm almost there. But you know, obviously working my ass off at work, it doesn't help that recoveries either. So like I said, I am getting back onto that normal track again. Snap on Wednesday would be the first one back, so congratulations to you guys for tuning in to Snap on Wednesday. I have got a couple of tools throughout the last couple of weeks. Today I did pick up, well, I had to replace a 12 mil 12-point socket 3/8 drive. I don't know what happened to it. I lost it, and for some reason in my kit of Snap-on screwdrivers I never got a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, so I needed one, and I borrowed it the other day from Jordan, and I decided that I would just go buy my own. So, well, you know, that's the way it works, right? Buy it or borrow it twice, borrow it 3 times, you got to buy it. There is, other than that, not really much news. I'm still waiting for the hutch. My top is being made as we speak, and so that's going to be cool. Should be a little bit of a surprise with the top. Something really cool to show you guys. So I'm super excited and I'm very intrigued of what it's going to look like, so I hope you guys like it. I hope I like it as well, so we're just going to leave it there, and I'm not going to say anything more other than that. But I know kind of what it's going to look like, but not what the finished outcome is going to be. So here is to getting back on track with things. I will make a promise. I will do my updated toolbox tour this month, or well, in March. I will do that. I'm going to do a shop tour, and I want to do a day in the life. So the day in the lives are a little bit hard these days because we are so extremely busy. I am doing another engine. It'll be my 3rd engine for the month. Jordan is doing an engine over on the other side of the shop. In fact, he is pulling out the subframe as we speak. Yeah, you haven't seen him on video yet. It has been recorded, but I recorded last week for Snap on Wednesday, but I coughed through the entire thing, and I did not want to post a piece of shit for you guys. So just accept that. So yeah. So there were some new tools that were on the truck. We didn't see any today, but there was some tools from the previous weeks. I do have the Snap-on flyer for March, so I will be doing that. So that's another promise. I will get this up as soon as I can. But that's pretty much it, guys. Last month was an extremely busy month. 258 hours last month, so January, and I just killed it last month for hours. This month, again, busy, but I took a couple of sick days,
and so the hours aren't the greatest this month, and it's a short month. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. There is merchandise down below if you're on the browser. So if you guys, it's a direct link to Teespring, to my Teespring store. So if you're looking at any shirts, they do have the stickers there as well. So I'm going to get back on that as well and put some other merch up, refresh the merch store. So I'm going to get on that this month as well. So it's going to be a busy, busy month in March for me. Again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.